The reason why law of attraction needs to be present in our life, so it helps to focus our energies on our goals and have a more optimistic life. If you are feeding into the self-help industry, they're just feeding off of our insecurities and our vulnerabilities. Don't give them money. It's just an industry. There is no end to it. What is law of attraction? Advocates say that there are three central principles that make up law of attraction. One is like attracts like. If you have positive thoughts, those positive thoughts will be manifested into your life. Similarly, if you have negative thoughts, those thoughts will be manifested into your life. The second one is that when you reframe negative thoughts, you actually make more space for the positive thoughts, and in turn having a more positive and fulfilling life. And the third one is that the present is always perfect. And advocates say that this law focuses on the idea that there are always things that you can improve in the present. While it might not seem that the present is perfect, you should focus on your energy on finding the ways to make the present the best that it can be. While law of attraction might not be the answer to all of life's problems, it can help you to have a more optimistic view on life and help you stay motivated to work towards your goals. A lot of the videos on the internet focus on law of attraction like law of gravity. They say law of attraction is like law of gravity. The reality is that law of gravity is actually a scientific law. Now, according to Wikipedia, scientific laws is defined as statements based on repeated experiments or observations that describe or predict range of natural phenomena. Now, gravity is a scientific law, whereas law of attraction is commonly considered a pseudoscience. Now, the most common experiment that is used as proof to say that law of attraction is a legit law is Masaru Emoto's water crystallizing experiment. Emoto says that his water crystal experiments consisted of exposing water in glasses to various words, pictures, or music, then freezing it and examining its light crystals' aesthetic properties through photography. He claimed that water exposed to positive speech and thoughts created visually pleasing ice crystals, and that negative intentions yielded ugly ice formations. Now, many people from the scientific community have criticized Emoto for insufficient experimental controls and not sharing enough details with his experiments. Moreover, a triple-blind study of his claims failed to show any of the same effects that Emoto says his experiment yielded. Also, the phenomenon he described has never been published in a peer-reviewed science journal, which almost certainly means that the effect cannot be demonstrated under controlled conditions. Now, while law of attraction lacks scientific support, many suggest that it can still have a very positive impact on your life because it helps create a more optimistic outlook on life. Now, spirituality is very commonly associated with law of attraction. So, spirituality in itself is connected to a variety of health benefits, including reducing stress, better health, lower depression, and better overall well-being. Many people believe that law of attraction aligns God or the universe with their wishes. This notion suggests that people are made all of energy, and this energy operates at different frequencies. Because of this, it is important to change the frequency of energy with positive thoughts, especially gratitude for what we already have. The second way that law of attraction helps to bring a more positive, optimistic outlook on life is that it has a very positive impact on mental well-being. By focusing or attaining a new reality, and by believing it is possible, we tend to take more risks. notice more opportunities, and open ourselves to new possibilities. Research on optimism shows that optimists enjoy better health, greater happiness, and more success in life, since they focus a lot of their energies on their successes and minimize thoughts on their failures. Now, there are many pitfalls with law of attraction. One being the lack of emphasis on action. There's so much emphasis on our thoughts that action is not talked about enough. The reason why law of attraction works and helps you to be successful is because when you keep on visualizing and thinking about your thoughts, you will be taking action towards them because you're always focusing all your energies on those positive thoughts. Another major pitfall is that we associate our thoughts and we blame ourselves for the negative events that occur in our life, like accidents, injury, or any serious health condition. The circumstance is not in our control, but we can control our response towards them. And the law of attraction can provide the optimism attitude that is associated with resilience, but in difficult situations, it must not be used as a tool to self-blame. The third pitfall of law of attraction is the self-help industry. Now, the self-help industry is massive. It's $1 million industry, and the author of The Secret, Rhonda, is worth $100 million. They're selling books, coaching classes, certificates, counseling sessions, you name it, it's all there. There are dedicated YouTube channels to just teach you law of attraction, careers just to teach you how to manifest positive thoughts into your life. Everything you need is on the internet. If you are paying for it, you're feeding into the self-help industry, which has no end. Save your money, save your time, I would say. In regards to the self-help industry, the internet is free, guys. Just use it. So my final thoughts. I think law of attraction is very helpful, and I'm going to be using this as an experiment for this channel. This is gonna be my first video with my face in it, so I am gonna manifest that by the end of this year. So that is February 2022. This will be a monetized channel. And yeah, that's my goal. That's my one goal for this channel. And I will be having a vision board, and I will be writing it down every single day and working my butt towards it. And I have just visualized it right now, and we'll be visualizing every single day. And I will get back to you within a year for what happens. And yeah, let's use this as an experiment. Why not? So thank you so much for watching. I hope all of you guys are healthy, and